Did you buy a titanium pan expecting food to never stick, but somehow it still does? In this video, I'll explain why that happens, and more importantly, how to prevent sticking so your food slides off every time. Today, I'm sharing 7 essential tips to help you finally keep your titanium pan from sticking. Let's start with the first one, the one that makes all the difference. Number 1, preheat the pan the right way. Don't rush the preheat. Yes, a cold pan almost guarantees sticking, but overheating it can cause the same problem. So, how do you preheat titanium pans properly? The sweet spot is slow, even preheating. Set your burner to medium or medium-low and give the pan a minute or two to warm up. This creates a temporary non-stick surface, a layer between your food and the pan. Want to check if your pan's ready? Try the water drop method. Flick a drop of water onto the surface, and if it dances or sizzles, you're good to go. And once you've got the preheating right, it's time to add your oil, which brings us to tip number 2. Use the right amount of oil or fat. Even though titanium pans have a non-stick surface, a little oil goes a long way. It creates a smooth barrier and gives your food that perfect sear. But you don't need a pool of oil, just enough to lightly coat the pan. Too little, and your food might grab. Too much, and it'll just fry in excess oil. A quick heads up, avoid cooking sprays. Many of them contain lecithin and propellants, which can burn onto your pan when heated repeatedly, leaving a sticky layer that's hard to clean. Real oils like olive, avocado, or vegetable oil work much better, and they keep your pan easy to maintain. So next, make sure the pan's warm instead of hot before adding the oil. Give it a few seconds to heat up. Once it shimmers, you're ready to cook. Now that your pan's preheated and the oil's ready, the next tip is all about how you handle the food. Number 3, let your food sear before flipping. Are you moving your food too soon? That's a common mistake when cooking with titanium pans. Proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs, and even vegetables, need a little bit of time to form a natural crust before flipping. That crust is what makes food easily released from the pan, and it's what gives you that perfect golden sear. Place your food in the pan and step back. Let it cook without touching it for a few minutes. Once it's ready, it'll naturally start to release on its own. If searing is about patience, this next tip is about giving your food the space it needs. Number 4, avoid overcrowding the pan. Tossing everything in all at once to save time can be really tempting, but putting too much food in the pan can actually make it stick. When the pan gets crowded, the temperature drops, and your food starts steaming instead of searing, and steam means more sticking. So make sure you give each piece enough space to cook properly. That way, the heat will spread evenly, letting your food form a nice crust that'll slide right off the pan, just like it's supposed to. And here's a pro tip. If you're cooking meat like chicken, pat it dry before adding it to the pan. This will help remove moisture so it can sear properly and prevent sticking. Number 5, adjust your stovetop heat as needed. Heating properly matters all the way through. Even with preheating and the right amount of oil, your pan can still get too hot or too cool while cooking. So what's the right heat to avoid sticking? Medium to medium-high heat usually works best for most foods, but every stove's a little different. That's why it's important to keep an eye on your food as it cooks. If it's browning too fast or starting to stick, lower the heat slightly. If it's barely sizzling and not forming a crust, turn it up a notch. Listen to the pan and watch your food. A small tweak can get everything back on track. Number 6, use the right utensils. What kind of utensils are you using in your pan? Titanium utensils are also a great choice because they're light, toxin-free, and gentle on your cookware. Using the right utensils helps protect the pan's surface, so you keep getting those easy, clean releases every time. And number 7, clean and treat the pan correctly. This step matters more than you might think, and it's about building the right habits. Scrubbing stuck-on food too aggressively can damage the surface, which makes sticking worse over time. So how should you clean and treat your titanium pan to avoid that? First, let the pan cool down a bit. Then, wash it with warm water, mild soap, and a soft sponge. This will help you remove any leftover food without harming the cooking surface. For stubborn bits, let it soak for a few minutes, and it should come off easily. And if your pan's manufacturer recommends it, occasional seasoning with a light layer of oil after cleaning can keep that smooth, easy release surface in top shape. Let's quickly run through the tips one more time. Number 1, preheat your pan slowly and evenly. Number 2, add just a thin layer of oil. Number 3, let your food sear without touching it. Number 4, don't overcrowd the pan. 5, adjust the heat as needed. 6, use gentle utensils. And number 7, clean your pan the right way. Follow these tips and you'll keep your titanium pan non-stick and easy to cook with for years. And if you want a titanium pan with a high-quality non-stick surface, check out a Taima Titanium pan. Its 5-layer construction heats evenly, lasts a long time, and helps food release more easily. Head to taimatitanium.com and get a titanium pan that will make your cooking easier and scrubbing a thing of the past.